Hey folks, so just a quick one today. I had a really busy weekend, so and I was just a bit mindful as well. I haven't done a video for a week or a bit, you know. So I just wanted to show that I'd made a start on the bodywork, and in fairness, I think I feel like I've found a bit of the holy grail when it comes to petrol tanks for the D1, the one that's come off the French bike. I've taken all of the paint off, as you obviously can see. I've still got the edges to do and some tidying up, but I've had enough now. And there's no dents, there's no repairs, there's no holes, you know, no corrosion holes in it. It really is in absolutely brilliant condition. I've got the underside to do yet, but that's just surface rust, that's not a problem. But yeah, really pleased with the overall condition of the fuel tank itself. It's like I say, there's no dings in it, nothing. So yeah, it should paint really well. I haven't decided what I'm doing with it yet. I'm thinking of buying some the proper paint. Now I've got a compressor, and maybe painting it myself. It would be 2K, so it'll be the proper job. We won't cut any corners with that. But yeah, so as I say, just a quick one. Next time I'll get the mudguard side panels and the tailpiece done. The tailpiece has been painted before, you can tell. It's really well orange peely, so I don't know whether it's come off a different bike or who knows, I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, the front mudguard's a tin one, metal one, so that's good. And the side panels, they're in pretty okay condition. No cracks or anything on them either, so we'll get those stripped as well. So that's it for today. Thanks very much for sticking with me. D1 project is full steam ahead. Okay, I'll see you soon. Thanks very much. Bye.